spiritual cleansing ritual at Nyauri River in Bindura turned into a nightmare after two women drowned while attempting to summon mermaid spirits, known locally as Manjuzu. The incident, led by self-styled prophet, has stunned the local community and provoked outrage from traditional leaders who accuse untrained spiritualists of endangering lives through reckless and unauthorized ceremonies. Sanabena mashoko buda pangwa ina chonokwa kunzi prophet's ritual leaves the two women dead. Red was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibna mnamo brand komchense. According to state media, the two victims were part of a group of 5 young women who yet accompanied the prophet to the sacred river in Chief Masembura's area for what was meant to be a spiritual awakening. The ritual, however, descended into chaos after one of the women allegedly got taken by the spirits, prompting a frantic and ultimately fatal rescue attempt. Explaining the ordeal to ZVC News, the prophet said, "I went with some women to pray and I wanted to invoke the mermaid spirits. These people had their own issues, and during this process, one of us was taken by the spirits. We then went into the water to try and rescue her, and one of them died. In the process, my wife also died during the rescue." The incident has drawn criticism from traditional authorities who condemned the unsanctioned ritual and failure to follow proper spiritual protocols. Nyasha Simon, a marine spirit believer, echoed the warning. Manjuzu are real, but many of us are young women abusing them or being conned by fake prophets. If you go to the river with a hidden agenda, you can end up drowning because the spirits will reject you. The tragedy has reignited debate over the legitimacy and regulation of African spiritual practices in Zimbabwe as traditional leaders call for vigilance and respect for ancestral customs. The Bindura community continues to grieve a spiritual journey that ended in death. Tuze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi chakashoka vanhu aiwa yesterday. Pinagome section medu mafunguro enyu, so unsubscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.